Hey everyone, you know I love to laugh, but seriously, this is no laughing matter. You're making deadly dental mistakes that could cost you your teeth. We're talking about saying goodbye to that sparkling smile and hello to dentures, yikes. But don't worry, we're here to help. In 2025, we're exposing 5 dental mistakes you're making and how to fix them before it's too late. These are things you might think are no big deal, but trust me, your teeth are screaming help. And hey, speaking of help, for a life-saving dental trick, check out the Navy Tooth Repair Hack in the description. It's amazing what they've discovered. But first, let's dive into these mistakes, shall we? Okay, picture this. You're brushing your teeth feeling all virtuous, right? But if you're using the force of 1,000 toothbrushes, you're not a hero, you're a villain. Harsh brushing is like taking sandpaper to your teeth. It wears down your enamel, which is like the protective shield for your teeth. And you know what happens when that shield is gone? Sensitivity, cavities, you name it. It's like leaving your front door wide open for trouble. And your gums? Don't even get me started on your gums. Aggressive brushing can make them recede, exposing the sensitive roots of your teeth. Ouch! Instead of brushing like you're scrubbing grout, be gentle. Think of it like you're massaging your teeth, not fighting them. Use a soft bristled toothbrush in gentle circular motions. Your teeth and your gums will thank you for it. We've all been there. That midday slump hits and you're reaching for a sugary snack. Listen, I love a good cookie as much as the next person, but constantly snacking on sugary treats is like throwing a party for the bacteria in your mouth. These little sugar monsters feed on those sweets and produce acids that attack your teeth. It's like a never-ending cycle of destruction. And it's not just candy and soda that are the culprits. Even seemingly innocent snacks like crackers and fruit juices can be loaded with sugar. So what's a sugar-loving, snack-loving person to do? First, limit your snacking. Try to stick to regular meals and healthy snacks like veggies or cheese. And after you do indulge, rinse your mouth with water to help wash away those sugar bugs. Your teeth will thank you. Chapter 3. Sensitive teeth? Don't ignore the warning signs. Have you ever taken a sip of ice-cold water and felt that sharp shooting pain in your teeth, or winced when biting into something hot? That, my friends, is tooth sensitivity, and it's not something to ignore. Tooth sensitivity is like your teeth sending out an SOS signal. It's often a sign that your enamel is wearing thin, or you might have a cavity starting. It's your body's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Now don't panic. There are things you can do. First, try using a desensitizing toothpaste. These toothpastes help to block those tiny tubules in your teeth that lead to the nerve, reducing sensitivity. And most importantly, see your dentist. They can help determine the cause of your sensitivity and recommend the best course of treatment. Don't suffer in silence. Address those sensitive teeth. Chapter 4. Flossing. It's not just for show. Okay, I have a confession to make. Sometimes, just sometimes, I get a little lazy with flossing. But then I remember all those hard-to-reach places where food particles like to hide out and throw a party. And you know who's invited to this party? Plaque, that sticky film that builds up on your teeth and leads to gum disease. Not a party you want happening in your mouth. Flossing is like sending in the cleanup crew after a wild party. It removes all the debris that your toothbrush can't reach, keeping your gums healthy and your breath fresh. So, make flossing a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Or, if you're like me and need a little extra motivation, try a water flosser. They're fun, effective, and will make you feel like you're giving your teeth a spa treatment. Chapter 5. Dentist checkups. Your smile's best friend. Alright folks, this last one is a no-brainer. Going to the dentist regularly is like taking your car in for a tune-up. You might not think anything is wrong, but those regular checkups can catch small problems before they turn into big, expensive headaches. Think of your dentist as your smile's best friend. They can spot cavities in their early stages, catch gum disease before it gets serious, and even detect oral cancer. Plus, those professional cleanings are like a mini makeover for your mouth. So please, don't wait until you're in pain to schedule an appointment. Make biannual dental visits a non-negotiable part of your self-care routine. Trust me, your smile will thank you for it. Outro, don't wait, protect your pearly whites. Remember, we covered a lot today, but it all boils down to this. Be kind to your teeth. Stop brushing so hard, ditch the sugary snack attacks. Listen to your sensitive teeth, make flossing your new best friend, and visit your dentist regularly. Stop these mistakes before your teeth are gone. Watch the Navy Tooth Repair Hack video linked in the description. It's a must-see to save your smile now. And don't forget to subscribe for more critical dental health tips and hit the bell icon to protect your teeth. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep those smiles shining.